Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Vesna here. This is my home channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I decorated two of my tiered trays using mostly stuff that I DIY'd over on my Vesna TV channel. I will start off with a 3-tiered tray. This tray I got at Home Depot. I've been using it for a few years, and I am just starting off with putting in my little pots that I made. They're Ray Dunn inspired. And whenever I do trays, it's kind of a trial and error, so I'll just let you guys watch it and I'll link the videos to these DIYs in case you're interested to see how you can make these for your tray. And they will be, both trays are spring theme trays. So here's the tray all completed. I have it set up in my family room. I really love how happy and spring-like it is. And again, the videos are linked to the DIYs for this tray. I hope you like this one. Now on to the next one. This video is a part of a challenge hosted by Decor Easy. Decor Easy is a team of a mother and daughter-in-law, and their names are Diane and Yanni, and they host this challenge monthly. It's the Sunday Fun Day Challenge where we can do whatever we want. So if you haven't checked out their channel, make sure you check it out, and make sure you subscribe to it if you haven't, and also check out the playlist. There'll be lots of all different DIYs and actually a mixture of anything since it is Sunday Fun Day. So everything will be linked in my description below. The next tray is a 2-tier tray which I picked up at Winners, and I've also had for a few years. And again, I'm using mostly DIYs that I made over on my DIY channel. So here's the completed tray, and I do keep this in my front entry. And so here's just a picture of both trays side by side so you can kind of see the difference. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out Deco Easy and check out the playlist. Again, everything is linked in my description below. And check out my DIY channel for these inspirations as well. Thanks and have an excellent day. And have a great day. And come back on Wednesday for another tier trade. This time it'll be St. Patrick's Day.